Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Two Toys channel. Okay, I'm back, and this time around, I think maybe this is the first time, right? My video focuses all on miniature only. Okay, we just back from Mini Scale Festival Volume 3 over the weekend, and yeah, it was quite something. The biggest one that we've had so far. Okay, which is I help Collectors Cube to actually organize it. Volume 3, and we've been hearing good things. I hope those that came really did enjoy yourself. And if you did went to the event right on that Saturday, drop me a comment. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Of course, within this week, there's a couple of things going on as well. We're also talking about how we can improve for the next one for next year, and of course, on top of that, we do have some contests that's ongoing as well. There's an Instagram photo contest, and also there's the Instagram Reels contest, and there's also the TikTok contest that's ongoing. So you go to Cube's Instagram and you can actually check out the full contest details. All right. Okay, so that's still ongoing. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about that event, because the Miniscale Festival is mainly focused on miniatures. It's actually mainly to celebrate the Malaysian artists. So I do have a couple of products, event exclusives. There was a special launch on that day. There was arranged collaboration with Cube and a couple of other Malaysian artists, and also a collaboration with RWB Japan and also RWB Kuala Lumpur. Right. So the first one that I want to share with you guys would definitely be this item. I'll do a quick run through of all of them. Okay. So this is the diexxfigure Studio official product collaboration with RWB. This is actually a rough packaging, right? And this is actually the project car. Okay, I'll show you in a short while. So first we cover the project car, and then next I want to cover the rims. This is done by Tech G, 2 variant, and then there is the RWB Dog, Bagel. Okay, Nakai-san's beagle dog, Bagel. Okay, then we have Nakai-san and Yuki-san, okay, in 64 scale, and also Larry Chan in 64 scale. So these are made by Monster Miniature. Bagel is made by YanZai Hobby. Okay, cool. So the first one I want to show you guys would be this guy. Okay, the project car. So there's actually one more item that's not here, which is the diorama. The RWB diorama is actually based on KL Garage. So the Garage KL, I think that's the name, because that place don't exist anymore. That was actually the place where Miyabi, RWB Kuala Lumpur #1, the 5th in Malaysia, that was the location that it was being built. So yeah, there is a diorama for that, but unfortunately that was actually made by East 8 Man. Unfortunately, over the weekend, right, East 8 Man had an emergency, so he couldn't make it, and I will be only getting the dioramas later this week, and once I get them, I do look forward to share with you guys. Okay, so let me show you guys this one first. A little bit tight, so hang on, let me get it out. Okay, I got it out. All right, so there we go. This is actually the hottest item of the day. This is a project car, and yeah, before I take it out, right, I definitely want to show you guys some reference photos first. So this is not meant to be a complete car, okay, because the complete car, quite a few brands has done it before. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So generally speaking, RWB builds spread out over 2 days. Okay, so this car is actually our reference is actually from RWB Zen, which was built in Malaysia in June in 2024. So this is actually end of day 1. Okay, as you can see, it's still on the jack stands. All right, the wing is not in yet. The fender? Sorry, hang on. The fender wing, right, it's not in yet as well. Okay, and then the canards are not in yet as well. Okay, so this is meant to be a project car, hence the 64 scale project car. Okay, and this is actually, the name of this color is Bahama Yellow. It's a custom color that is made to match the real car. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with a 4-jack stand. All right, and here we go. Let me take this one out and show it to you guys. Hang on. There we go. How about that? Check this out. Okay, so the blue calipers as per the real car. So without the wing, without the canards yet. All right, this would be that project car. So this is resin printed. Okay, the tow hook isn't in yet as well. Okay, so this is actually very, very light. Nice. Check out the paint and the finishing. Very nicely done by diexxfigure. So how do we install it underneath, right? Is we place the tag onto the car and then we stick the jacks on the side. Okay, and when you put it down, there we go. That's what it will look like side view. Okay, so that's the exclusive, and this was actually sold out on that day, I think in 3 hours time. So total 25 was made. Yeah, total only 25 was made, and it was sold out very quickly. Okay, so that's the project car, and next would be the RWB Rims. Okay, the RWB Wheels. Okay, so RWB do have their own range of wheels that is actually produced by, I believe, a company called OSK in Japan. Okay, so these wheels are actually produced by them. The ones that I can tell you that I know, right, would be this color with the green color, right, is actually on Rough Freedom, Toshi-san's car. And then we have this silver color version, which is on the Malaysian Yugata. Okay, so I want to open this one up to show you guys because Tech G has done the front and rear, so it does have the two different offset. Okay, let me just show it to you guys. Hang on. In the meantime, right, help me to hit the like button because that'll help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Do hit the subscribe button as well so that you don't miss on any of my other scale model videos. Okay, so this set doesn't come with the XL. It's not meant to be, you know, swap and roll. So these are actually meant to be plugged in. Okay, so how do we install it, right? I will use, this is my test car. So Tech G has tested it on tarmac, on this pop race, and also on initial model. So these rims do work on them. Okay, so this is the rims. I will use the tag to actually stick them on to the body, and I'll do a pause so that I'll do 2 of them so that you can see how we just plug it in. Okay, hang on. That's on one side. So that's the dip dish for the rear. Okay, this will be for the front. There we go. Oh, a little bit too much tack on the front. I will need to adjust it a little bit. Not too much. Then let's go. There, feels a little bit better. There we go. What do you think? So these are actually the OGW rims. Nice. Very nicely done by Tech G. You can see the disc brake details actually. No calipers though, I didn't see the calipers. But you can tell there's the disc brake in there. Okay. Alright. So 2 colors. One is in this bronze. Okay, bronze and black. And the other one is in silver. Okay. So you can check out a couple of photos that's already up on Cubes. I think it's a collab post with another friend of ours on Cube's Instagram. Okay, so it works very nicely on Pop Race. All right, so I'm gonna place it aside there for a while. I'll leave this two here for viewing. Okay, and then next would be the RWB Dog, the Beagle. Okay, so in 64 scale. So we have already launched this in 118 during Tokyo Auto Salon Kuala Lumpur last year. So now we have the 64 version, the 64 scale version. That's Bagel, fondly known as Bei-chan. Super cute, super cute. Okay, that's Bei-chan, and then we have, that's made by YanZai Hobby. Okay, that's made by YanZai Hobby. Then next will be Nakai-san and Yuki-san. There we go. So you can see he's sporting the Yeezy slippers. Okay, that was his look for a little bit. Okay, the RWB Reef logo t-shirt. Okay, with his headband. Yeah, he was, I think he didn't have time to cut his hair. So his hair was getting longer and longer. So he did have that hairband, the headband thing for a bit. Okay, that's Yuki-san. Okay, again, check out her shoes. Okay, with the RWB t-shirt. Okay, so there we go, two figures. So you can let her stand, yep, right next to Bei-chan. Okay, and last but not least, we finally have Larry Chan in 64 scale. Okay, sporting the EOS t-shirt. Nice. Nicely done by Monster Miniature. Okay. Alright, cool. Let's put in there. Okay, so yeah, it was definitely a lot of fun organizing Miniscale Festival, third year. I do look forward, I do hope that you guys enjoy it, that, I think we should be doing volume 4 next year, 2026. Let me know what you think, what you guys think, okay? So there is still, apart from the project car, everything, the rest of them do, there was a couple of extras that was made. They're available through Collector's Cube on their website, and they do ship international, so you can go and check it out. And it's the project car, that one is actually sold out. It's not available anymore. And what else? So do hit the like button, because that helps me out with the YouTube algorithms, and I do look forward to do more collaborations on these miniatures. And let's see where we go from here. There's a couple of events coming up in May, which I'm looking forward to. Another one in August, and next it will be, probably next year, Tokyo to Salon Tokyo, and also Miniscale Festival Volume 4. Crazy times. Okay, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. That's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.